Hi everybody, Zuri here, and I'm doing a cheetah. First I'm going to glue down my eyebrows and trace in where I want my main focus to be, which is the eyes and the cheek area. I'm filling that in with black, making sure I have the right shape. I did try to do the eyes as symmetrical and as even as possible, but I don't have even eyes, so it was a bit of a challenge. I got my wonderful reference photo from Google and trying to get it as realistic as possible, so I'm going to go in and shade it in with black to get it a shadow look and add it in the pupils. Next, taking my sponge and sponging in all the highlighted areas of a cheetah, under the eyes, on the forehead, and above the eyes, and on the cheeks. Going in with a tannish orange color and filling in all the open spaces. And now adding a little yellow face paint, going around the nozzle, around the mouth, and a little underneath the eyes and above the eyes. Now I'm outlining the eyes with white and adding a little bit more detail to the eye. Next is the fur. So I'm using a small detail brush to create fur strokes. Fur strokes. And filling in my nose with black face paint. Trying to get the nose just as I see on my reference photo. A little brown and black shadow. And now I'm detailing my nose a little bit more. And fill in a couple bottom teeth. More detail on the fur, adding black face paint. And now we have the cheetah dots. Placing them all over pretty much on the side of my face. Filling in the eyes. And the whiskers was my favorite part. I just kept on adding a lot of whiskers because that's what it looked like in the photo. Okay, everybody, all done. This is my cheetah look. Hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And give it a try. Over and out. Zuri. Bye.